Hey Monster Truck fans, welcome to OffTrack RC. I'm Chris Parrish alongside mystical Mike Bufka. And Mike Bufka, it's a miracle we're here today.
Absolutely it is. The number one story of this weekend is the weather and whether or not we were actually going to have a race here. How were things looking yesterday when the track was getting set up?
Well, after torrential downpours in the area over the last 10 days or so, this was literally under 3 inches of water a few days ago. And with great work from our track crew, very dedicated, they worked this track back into a usable shape, and then catastrophe hit last night.
Absolutely it did. Mother Nature did not want us to have this event, but you know what? We're going to make it happen. We are racers. We're monster truck racers, and come hell or high water, we're getting trucks on this track today.
We had water all over the track. The track crew worked almost through the night to get the event ready to go, and we're getting ready to go retro racing. Event number 2, race number 1, and here it comes.
Starting off with qualifying. At the top of the charts in his return, Bigfoot for Josh Rhodes with an 11.27, followed by King Ghidorah, Iron Aaron James, Buffalo Trimmer Jeremy Mark, all at the top of the charts. As we move into round number 1 of action, it's George Rucker in the near lane with Bigfoot 1 facing off against Metal Health with Devin Treat in the far lane. This is a 16 and 17 matchup. Rucker still new to the OffTrack RC Tour. And right now it looks like it's all Metal Health moving on to round number 2. And his reward will be a matchup with the number 1 qualifier in his return, Bigfoot for Josh Rhodes. Rhodes off in the lead. Taking it slow and steady, not a clean run, but a winning run. Our next pair brings Gunslinger and Taurus 2 to the line. This is an 8-9 matchup. Should be pretty good on paper. Mark off in the lead in the Taurus truck into the final corner. Holds on to the lead by a truck and a length. Truck and a half.
Drivers, are you ready?
Equalizer on the line against the King of the Grove, the incredible 6-wheel monster truck. Equalizer the number 4 qualifier, while King of the Grove only the 13. Trouble for Equalizer in the near lane. Neck and neck into the final corner. Equalizer stretches it out by a truck and a half.
Drivers, are you ready?
Domination, the all-new J-Concepts regulator from Chris Hackinson in the near lane, facing off against Josh Rhodes and his classic Gravedigger 2 regulator in the far lane. Oh, issues for both trucks. Digger recovers and cruises on for the victory.
Drivers, are you ready?
King Ghidorah, the number 2 qualifier in the near lane, facing off against Barefoot Chris Parrish, the number 15 qualifier. Barefoot off in the lead. King Ghidorah in trouble. Neck and neck. Oh! A body slam from King Ghidorah. The win will go to Barefoot on penalty for crossing that line and making contact with the other truck. Oranginator in the near lane, facing off against the brand new Shattered from Chris Hackinson in the far lane. 2 brand new trucks and identities for Hackinson this season, but the result isn't going to be what he was looking for as Oranginator wins this round.
Drivers.
George Rucker and Bigfoot 8 in the near lane, facing off against Buffalo Trimmer, the number 3 qualifier in the far lane. Mark off in the lead already. Rucker running independent front and rear steering on his Bigfoot 8 truck, getting acclimated with that, but this win, Buffalo Trimmer takes it and moves into round number 3.
Drivers, are you ready?
Our final pair in round number 2 is the all-new Boogie Van from Fred Coors in the far lane, facing off against Barely Tame and Isaac Ankrum in the near lane. Ankrum off in the lead, making the tight center section corner, swinging around the final corner. Boogie Van making a last-moment charge, but not quite enough.
Drivers, are you ready?
Round number 3 kicks off with a classic matchup. Bigfoot 4 and Taurus. Who's going to take it? Who's going to end up in the mud right now? Bigfoot 4 off in the lead. Oh, Bigfoot in trouble. Wow, he backed up and corrected, but it got close at the finish line. Bigfoot 4 with a narrow victory.
Drivers, are you ready?
Rhodes right back up on the line with Gravedigger this time, facing off against Equalizer, the number 4-5 matchup. Tight corner for Gravedigger, wide for Equalizer, but a bad bounce for Equalizer, and Gravedigger way out in the lead. Equalizer trying to charge, but not enough.
Drivers, are you ready?
Oranginator and Barefoot Racer on the line. Oranginator with the lane choice. Lane choice seeming to be pretty valuable on this racetrack. But neck and neck into the final corner. Oh, Barefoot cuts it a little tight, and Oranginator wins by a truck length. Barely Tame in the near lane, facing off against number 3 Buffalo Trimmer in the far lane. This is the final pair in round number 3. This should be a pretty good matchup. Two J Concepts regulators. Ankrum really getting his truck all lined out this season and seems to be pretty tough so far, and proving just that here with another win and a berth into the semifinals. We'll move to the semifinals as well, as our first pair brings Bigfoot 4 and should be Gravedigger on the starting line. Gravedigger nowhere to be found. A solo pass for Bigfoot 4, and Josh Rhodes will put him in the finals on his return to OffTrack RC. Our other pair is the 6-7 match-up. Barely Tame in the near lane against Oranginator. Chris Plank in the far lane. Plank with a nice tight corner, but Barely Tame charging hard down that back straightaway. Now Barely Tame in control, neck and neck. Barely Tame goes to the finals to make it a Blue Ford showdown.
Today's Retro Final features two veterans of our sport who are no strangers to racing against each other, Isaac Ankrum and Josh Rhodes. Start with you, Isaac. What's your strategy going into today's final round?
I'm going to shake his hand, wish him the best of luck, and watch him drain his batteries trying to catch up to me.
Solid game plan, solid game plan. And Josh, what say you?
Well, I charge my batteries unlike this guy over here, so we'll see how it goes. It's the first time I've gotten to race in about a year. It's the first final I've been in since Bigfoot Open House last year, so I'm really looking forward to this, and I wish him the best of luck and hope you all enjoy it.
They are friendly, but it also seems deeply personal. Whoa! Let's see how this one shakes out.
Is it friendly? Is it rivalry? It's the finals. That's what it definitely is. It's Barely Tame against Bigfoot 4. Bigfoot 4, the number 1 qualifier. Barely, the number 6 qualifier. Bigfoot very lucky in the far lane over that turn marker. Didn't get hung up. Held the momentum. Josh Rhodes with the win. As we take a look back at the replay, Bigfoot with a big jump on the starting line. Rhodes taking a very tight turn around that first corner. Barely Tame really wide, but trying to make up with momentum. But right there you saw it. Bigfoot hit the turn tire. It's not a penalty, but it will really slow you up if you hit it wrong. Rhodes got very lucky.
Well, Josh, a year plus doesn't seem to matter at all. You haven't lost a beat out there. Congratulations on a win today.
Well, thank you, man. I guess he forgot to charge his batteries on that last pass. I don't know what happened there. This truck just hooked it up and took it to the win. I just rebuilt this thing. It's got re-steering on it now. It's a little bit longer. This is the winningest retro truck in the last few years at Trigger King when it was racing. And first bracket win with the whole new setup, so I'm very proud.
Well, it was a big day for Rhodes as we continue through the retro season with OffTrack RC. We've got more action coming up next time out with more retro action as we crown the Event2 champion in race number 2. That's all for now. We appreciate you joining us, and until next time, we'll see you then.